Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we will continue the chapter number 4 subtraction. In the previous lecture we solved the exercise page number 23. Today's topic is subtraction of 4 digit numbers without borrowing. Let's see the examples. See the first example. There are 4526 men and 3214 women in a village. What we have to find? We have to find how many more men than women does the village have. Here we have to find by how much number of men increase. This is a word problem. Here we have to find the difference. So subtract the number of women from the number of men. You know how to subtract 3 digit numbers? In the same method, subtract 4 digit numbers. First, make a box and write the places and write the place name. Then arrange the numbers according to its place. First, which number we have to write? 4526. Then 3214. So, arrange the numbers. First, we arrange first number 4526. 6 comes in the unit place, 2 at the tens place, 5 at the hundred place and 4 at the thousand place. Now we arrange the second number 3214. 4 comes at the unit place, 1 tens place, 2 hundred place and 3 thousand place. Now see at the unit place. At the unit place we have to subtract 4 from 6. 6 minus 4, 2 at the unit place. Now at the tens place we have to subtract 1 from 2. 2 minus 1, 1. At the hundred place we have to subtract 2 from 5. 5 minus 2, 3. At the 10,000 place, 4 minus 3, 1. We get the answer 1312. So there are 1312 more men than women. Next example is subtract horizontally. How to subtract horizontally? See, we subtract unit from unit, tens from tens and hundred from hundred. Let's start subtracting. First, write the number in horizontal order. Take a difference between 2 digits while writing a number. See, at the unit place we have to subtract 2 from 9. 2 from 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Then at the tens place we have to subtract 3 from 8. 8 minus 3, 5. At the hundred place we have to subtract 4 from 7. 7 minus 4, 3. At the thousand place we have to subtract 5 from 6. 6 minus 5, 1. We get the answer 1357. Now let's solve the exercise page number 24. See, the first question is subtract the following. See the first one. We have to subtract 2300 from 5600. Here the numbers are already arranged. We have to just subtract the given numbers and find the difference. So see, in the first one, 0 minus 0, 0. Then 0 minus 0, 0. Then 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. So we get the answer 3300. See, in the second one. In the second, we have to subtract 180 from 5795. So see, 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 7 minus 1, 6 and 5. See the next one. In the next one, we have to subtract 1354 from 2589. So see, in the unit place, 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 5, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Arrange horizontally and subtract. Here we have to arrange the number horizontally and subtract it. So the first one is 5555 minus 2222. So first we arrange this number horizontally and now subtract it. See, at the unit place we have to subtract 2 from 5. 5 minus 2, 3. Then again we have to subtract 2 from 5 at the tens place. 5 minus 2, 3. Again at the hundred place we have to subtract 2 from 5. 5 minus 2, 3. Then at the 10,000 place we have to subtract 2 from 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So we get the answer 3,333. Now see the next one. Next one is 8,740 minus 3,540. We have to subtract 3,520 from 8,740. So first arrange this number in horizontal order. Now subtract it. See, at the unit place we have to subtract 0 from 0. 0 minus 0, 0. At the tens place we have to subtract 2 from 4. 4 minus 2, 2. At the hundred place 7 minus 5, 2. At the thousand place 8 minus 3, 5. So we get the answer 5,220. Now come to the next question. Here we have to subtract 9,586, 4,302, 432. Here we have to subtract 432 from 9,586. Here the first number is a 4-digit number and second one is 3-digit number. So first we arrange this number in horizontal order. Now subtract it. See, at the unit place we have to subtract 2 from 6. 6 minus 2, 4. At the tens place we have to subtract 3 from 8. 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5. 8 minus 3. See here, 8 minus 3, 5. Then at the hundred place we have to subtract 4 from 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Now see, at the thousand place there is only one digit 9. So 9 is as it is. So we get the answer 9,154. Now see the next one. Next one is 3,256 minus 24. Here we have to subtract 24 from 3,256. So first we arrange this number in horizontal order. See, here first number is a 4-digit number and the second one is only 2-digit number. So see, at the unit place we have to subtract 4 from 6. 6 minus 4, 2. Then at the tens place we have to subtract 2 from 5. 5 minus 2, 3. At the hundred place there is only one digit 2. So we write 2. At the 10,000 place again there is only one digit. So we write here 3. So we get the answer 3,232. Now come to the next question. Question number 3. If 5,000 minus 2,000 equal to 3,000, then 5,888 minus 2,888 equal to what? So here it gives, if we subtract 2,000 from 5,000, so we get 3,000. So if we subtract 2,888, so what we get? If we subtract 2,888 from 5,888, so what we get? So first arrange this number in horizontal order and let's subtract it. See, at the unit place subtract 8 from 8. 8 minus 8, 0. At the tens place 8 minus 8, 0. At the hundred place 8 minus 8, 0. At the thousand place 5 minus 2, 3. So we get the answer 3,000. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is write 3 subtraction problems with the answer 2,000. Here we have to write 3 subtraction problem whose answer is 2,000. This question is similar to the previous question. So write 3 questions. So see, if we subtract 4,000 from 6,000, so we get 2,000. Now if we subtract 5,342 from 7,342, so we get again 2,000. And the last one is, if we subtract 3,987 from 5,987, so we get again 2,000. Now see the next question number 5 and 6. This is your homework. Here we complete this exercise, textbook page number 24. In the next lecture we see the next topic.